back with this monster of an Audi A3. We're here with Errol. He's done a couple new things to this car since we've seen it last.
Oh yeah.
Errol, walk us through it.
All right, so now car's big turboed, obviously. So now we got the EQT Vortex XL turbo. Right now we're running on ethanol, so it's on an E85 tune. All the new stuff in the car. We have a catch can, we have brand new motor mount, so we have a CTS engine mount, we have a CTS trans mount, we have all new sensors, we have the EQT 5-bar sensor, we have the Bosch 4-put sensor, we have the Precision Raceworks MPI 925 cc, then we have the Precision Raceworks PTFE fuel lines, so have an increased fuel flow. The ethanol sensor is pushed back here now. Then we have the RS3 low pressure fuel pump in the back. And then whole new manifold, brand new carbon cleaning done on the car. Then the tunes, then we have a 93 tune and a E85 tune. So the 93 tune, it's a conservative tune. It's running 432 wheel horsepower, 386 wheel torque. And then the killer E85 tune is a 520 wheel horsepower and 450 wheel torque.
A conservative 500 plus.
I think we might have got it. Come on, baby. Hey, 500!
Oh my God! And you're on new tires too. What,
Yep, new tires.
What rubber
So
are we on?
it's the brand new Continental Extreme Contact Force. It's the Continental's brand new 200 tread tire.
This thing, oh my goodness, I can't imagine. I mean, it's definitely, I would say, at least twice as fast as my Stage 1 Golf R. But
oh, and
full ethanol,
for all of you guys that commented before about my exhaust, it was the graffle inside, or the baffle inside, and yes, I got it fixed, so it doesn't have that sound anymore.
good deal. All right, Errol, I think it'd be wrong to not jump in this thing and take it for a quick little spin.
Right?
Yeah, I know, dude.
Nobody behind me right now, dude.
It's one of those days, bro. I think we might luck out. Oh my God. Wow.
I was too high of a gear right now.
What was that RPM? Just on
I just think I just went from fourth, or I was in fourth gear and I just hit like 45.
Yep.
But you can easily hear like the intake now. It's crazy.
Yeah, because and that's the nice thing, bro. Everyone like shits on open intakes, but once you put one in, especially after a big turbo.
Oh yeah, it's insanely loud now.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh my God. Holy. It's, dude, this power delivery's impeccable.
Yeah.
It's like, it doesn't like, it's so smooth. Holy smokes. Yeah, that's really, really good power delivery. It's not like an on and off switch, you know? Like,
Yeah.
that's what I was kind of expecting. Like, I was expecting it to really just like, you know, beat you up, but realistically, this thing moves. I mean, it's just so smooth. Better eat. Oh my God.
Now there's still some kinks we gotta sort out because like right now it's showing that I have a negative 7.5 degrees knock, which right now in ethanol it should be 0.
Yeah, right, yeah. Huh.
And like if I was on my 93 tune, it'd probably be showing like negative like 1.88 or like negative 2.5, which is still like, it's not good. So there's something on with my cylinder 4.
Yeah.
So after IFO, like time to take the car to the shop and like break it down a little bit.
Yeah, I had a huge issue. My in my GTI, I don't think they fully flooded, but the crackle tune was so aggressive on my first revision of that crackle tune on my GTI. It dumped so much fuel. Like I was like at a low speed, and the car just absolutely stalled out, and they had to replace 2 of my injectors. And that's the thing, like I'm so freaked out about like crackle tunes ever since, because they just run so rich when you let off. You know,
yeah. So that's why with my new tunes now, I swapped my burples differently. So before I had them on my sport mode, but then I found out from racing that I guess when you have burples, it slows the throttle response by like just by like, you know, like
enough to notice.
Enough to notice. So yeah, so when you let off and it burples and you try to hit the gas again, it's gonna be like a little bit of a delay.
Right.
So I swapped it to now burples only in drive mode. I just love, you hear the freaking sound of the turbo.
Dude, I know. It's such a nice crackle tune too, because most of them, bro, they're so tingy and like awful, and this one just has some nice bassy burbles, you know. All right, so we got back, and kind of our final thoughts on this car. This thing is an absolute animal. It's by far the quickest car that we've had on this channel. And yeah, so any future plans for this car? What are you gonna...
I want to stop, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So like I said, while we were driving around, gotta figure out some kinks real quick, just so that way the car's running 100%. Once the car's running 100%, we'll go back to the 93 file and try to turn up the timing to get that to about 470, 480 wheel horsepower, and get the torque into the 400s as well. Then once that's done, then it'll be starting to work on suspension next year. We'll start swapping out the springs for coilovers, and then really dial in the suspension more for HPD events.
Good deal.
Yeah, we won't be going sideways no more.
Yeah, that's for sure. So yeah, no, it's definitely awesome seeing the progression on this car, and we'll definitely have to check back in probably in the next, knowing you, few months.
Well, I think we're going to be doing a part 2 of this at the track.
Yep.
Probably, hopefully, if it doesn't rain Wednesday, we can get there Wednesday. And
absolutely.
See how well she does at the track.
Exactly, and hopefully maybe get the R on there. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll try. We'll see.
I'll run low torque for that. But yeah, no, awesome. Well, it was a pleasure having you come out and shooting this awesome video.
Of course,
And
man.
yeah, can't wait to hopefully link up again and shoot another fun one. All right, catch you guys later. Peace.